Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Closet Tools and this is the best Poshmark automation tool. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping onto the platform, so basically this only comes into an extended, or you can say like extension form, so you need to add it onto your Chrome. And once you do that, also by the way, it is available on your mobile device, so you can do that as well. Once you add it, it will be offering really amazing features that are going to be saving your time, so you can feel free to do other things with your time, sharing all of your items, and following hundreds of people is simply as clicking a button. So you can use it anywhere, anytime. You can see what people are saying about it as well, of course. So to add it onto your Chrome, you are going to be clicking on add it to your Chrome. And but before that, let me just show you some more features of that as well, so you can see the overview about it. And also if you want to check out its feedback and reviews, they are directly linked in here as well under the, since it is an extension, so you can see check out its reviews as well. So if you are looking for something like Poshmark automation, this is something really great that you can try out. Simply click on this get and it will be added onto your Chrome, add extension, and you will see it is now added in here and you can start using it. So quite easy and simple. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. That is it for this video. Thank you so much and see you around in the next one.